Displaying text is very simple. All you need to do is put your text inside the body tag. You do not even need to wrap your text with any HTML tags. But convenience usually comes at a price. For example, if we have got 3 paragraphs and we want to set 3 different styles to each paragraph, how are we going to do that? Without the help from HTML tags, it's impossible for you to differentiate page contents. That's why wrapping every page element with HTML tags is so important. Of course, it is equally important that you should use the right tags to wrap the right contents. You will learn how to select tags in later lessons. The first tag we will learn today is the P tag. P means paragraph. The P tag is a double body tag. We use it mainly to wrap text. Naturally, all the text should be written between the starting P tag and the ending P tag. If we copy and paste the P tag and the text it wraps, you will find that on your browser each new paragraph will start in a new line. But if you remove all the P tags, you will find that all the text is displayed on the same line. So take your notebook and pen and take down this important point. Text wrapped in P tags will behave like a paragraph. They will always start on a new line.